Get rid of ants for good. I'll show you a homemade method that works better than chemical products. Pour 1 cup of water into a tall container. Add 1 tablespoon of cloves. Their strong scent repels ants and messes with their navigation system. Next, add 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. Cinnamon creates a scent barrier ants can't cross. Then add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. It disinfects and removes pheromone trails, making ants lose their sense of direction. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of dish soap, which helps the mixture stick better to surfaces. Mix everything well and pour it into a spray bottle. That way it's easier to apply the solution where it's needed. Spray all areas where ants appear: food cabinets, entry doors, or balcony windows. These are the spots where they show up most. Use this trick, and ants will be gone for good.